Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Hope you had a great holiday and hope your weekend has gone amazing so far. This week we're going to talk about cultural sensitivity, so that's coming up in the effective means of how we communicate. So cultural diversity is an important part of that, and we should recognize when talking to people that have different views or go about things in a different way, or in general just communicate differently, that we should be aware of that and respect um, their ideals. You're going to have two videos because I think the clearest thing in regards to this section is you understanding from experts in the field to TED Talks. So be sure to watch those videos, and then you're going to have one piece of homework where you'll submit a paragraph in APA format, of course, about your personal culture and how your lifestyle, I guess, or where you grew up, or anything that impacted you affects your communication. So reach out if you have any questions. Thanks so much for all you're doing. As we wrap up the end of the semester, we're approaching the final exam. I will have a review, so rest assured with that. But otherwise, I'm here if you need me. Thanks so much.